24 wheels is an awesome way to practice some mathematical patterns that equal to 24. You'll see 9 of these patterns on the left side of the playing grid. The goal of the game is to use the cards on the right to create wheels that equal to 24 based on these patterns on the left. Let's take the pattern 12 plus 12 for example. Why don't we use this 2 and multiply it by this 6 to get 12? And then how about we drag over this 4 and then multiply it by 3 to get another 12. This wheel now has the correct cards to cover the 12 plus 12 pattern. Continue to build onto the wheels you create and focus on different patterns. Notice this 8 on the left can be multiplied by 6 to make 48, making us already halfway done with the pattern. Figure out which 2 cards can equal 2, which is the missing number in our 48 divided by 2 pattern, and you've completed yet another wheel with a completely different pattern. When creating wheels, do your best to use as many different patterns as possible. Knowing these will help you solve Math 24 cards like a pro in the future. Once you've made at least 4 wheels, submit and check your work by clicking the Set Board button. We hope you have fun playing 24 wheels. If you get stuck or want to find out how many stickers you can earn per wheel, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!